Taiwan launched the M Taiwan Project 5 years ago, and in 2007, Wimax infrastructure development permits were issued to 6 telecommunication business operators. The need for seamless networking experience makes Wimax technologies the most anticipated rising star of the Taiwan's industrial development, followed by the IT industry.
移动式的 Wimax 技术呢，我们把它称为 Mobile Wimax。
Mobile Wimax technologies can be installed on the mobile terminals and used for telephone communication and wireless internet connection, even in a high-speed environment. This is why many countries began to pay attention to the development of Wimax technology. On one hand, it has all the advantages of fixed-line broadband internet, and on the other, it has mobility.
Though mobile internet is no longer a slogan, the ultra bandwidth of Wimax gives internet applications a far larger scope of possibilities. This year's Broadband Taiwan, which will be held from October 26 to 28, has been seen as the test zone of Wimax applications. So what killer applications will amaze event-goers in the show? All businesses are waiting to see in high anticipation.
This year's Broadband Taiwan, Info Explorer will launch 2 services. The first is the motor service, which is a fixed-point navigation service. The scenario is like a tourist or a local resident who takes MRT at one place, for example the MRT Dongshao Fuxing station, and after the person arrives at the station, he would need to find information about the shop or place he is looking for. For example, how does a person get to the place he intends to go? In this case, the person would need a map for the neighborhood. A member of the motor service can just click on the option of Search for Map, and the application begins to search and display the surrounding areas of the station. In this interface, we can also choose route planning. There may be some limitations if you are driving a car. However, to service the wide base of non-drivers, we have a navigation system made especially for walkers. It will show you 2 modes to guide you to the destination of your choice. Furthermore, many stores will also join us to offer special discounts, and there will be 2 modes to download a coupon. The first is done via Bluetooth, and the second is IBAN, through which the information downloaded to your mobile phone can be outputted into print copies. The service is called Mobile Internet Cafe. You can get on the internet, play a video game, and watch news or IPTV via this service. It is offered free of charge, so we think the consumers will be willing to choose the particular vehicles as a mode of transportation. In the future, all the vehicles installed with the Mobile Internet Cafe will carry an identification mark. So when the consumers have the need to hire a taxi, they will be able to differentiate the ones with the service from the others through the identification mark. To a taxi driver, the benefit is an extra customer. Say if a driver picks up 1 additional customer per day, an extra income of 5,000 or 6,000 will be generated. This is a value we are creating for them, and the fees they pay to join the alliance, as well as the advertisements we place on a non-offensive basis, will be our source of income. This is the concept of our operation. Why do people use Wimax? Because it is available right in the taxis and the content is constantly updated. For example, the news is updated every half an hour. So in this case, mobile broadband connection is essential.
在台湾发展 Wimax 这一块其实一直都蛮早的哈，也是在政府的支持之下，我们在
In Taiwan, Wimax development for this purpose is still in its early stage. Under the support of the government, 6 permits were issued 2 years ago. Because the government has a clear policy, the mid and upstream manufacturers, or even the chip module manufacturers in Taiwan, are leading the world in the development of Wimax technologies. We are now transmitting signals in segregated zones, so technologies that stream up the zones will be on the trend for the next development stage. If we see it from the current Wimax development in Taiwan, Taiwan has the potential to become a model island for the development of future technology. In addition to the supply of terminal facilities, the achievements brought by early release of its permits is a very good reference for many countries wishing to develop Wimax technologies. On this basis, if we can continue to develop quality value-added services, the advantages of Wimax will be fully extended and the applications will serve as attractive demonstrations for foreign countries.
In this year's Broadband Taiwan coming in October, we will not only see the latest development brought by the participating companies. Through the overall planning of the show, the world will have a sneak preview to the solid development of the in-country made possible by Taiwan's policies and solid technological foundation.